So we're down here in Bromley in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project for the customer is removing all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Once all of the Pebbledash is off, we'll be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Then we'll be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with obviously matching imperial bricks. What else we're going to be doing on this project is removing all of the loose flaky paint from all of the stonework. Once all of the paint's off, squaring up all of the stonework, getting everything lovely and smooth, ready for decoration. So we're going to be repainting all of the stonework here back in white. What else we're doing on this project is putting some new capitals that are missing either side of the bay here. So we'll be reinstating a capital there and a capital there to match the original here, which has been lost over the past. Rubbing down and repainting all of the woodwork. So as you can see, once again, all loose flaky paint on the woodwork that can't be painted like that. So rubbing it all back, getting everything lovely and smooth, filling, and then obviously redecoration to all of the woodwork. So yeah, this is going to be once again another big transformation underway. Customers are really excited. We're finally here to get cracking with the project. So we'll show you some more progress in the next few days once we get underway. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.
Hey, don't take too much here next time. Stop a little.
So the Pebbledash removal is well underway this morning. Boys are carefully removing it all by hand, as you can see. Some of the brickwork's in good condition to work with. Quite a few areas where we're going to need to do quite a lot of brick repairs, as you can see. But so far, not too bad at all. So a good morning's work so far. So we've got the Pebbledash off this morning down here on our Bromley project we're currently working on. So a good morning's work, removing all of the Pebbledash by hand. So what we're working with, not too bad condition, the brickwork. Got some areas where there is going to be quite a lot of bricks to replace, but overall not looking too bad. As you can see, a bit of water damage in certain areas where the Pebbledash has trapped the solid wall from breathing. So we'll start cutting out all of this mortar after breakfast, taking out all of this old lime mortar, getting all this preparation done, have a good clear up in a minute, get all of the rubbish bagged up, start the next phase, which will be cutting out, like I say, all this pointing, and then tomorrow we'll start sanding down the brickwork, cutting out and replacing, as you can see, all of the damaged full bricks. So replace all of these individually, one by one, and then obviously once we get the bricks in, we'll start removing all of the paint from all of the stonework. As you can see, what was hidden underneath the Pebbledash, instead of having the original capitals, we've had some bad brickwork just thrown in there, some gaunt brickwork there either side. So we'll get the restoration done on the capitals as well, so they'll be all in situ with the other pieces of stonework. But good morning's work so far. We've cracked right on, got all of the Pebbledash off, and this afternoon we'll get all of this rubbish bagged up, and then we'll start cutting out all of the pointing and have a good wash down for a good day's progress. So just a little update video there. So far so good, and good morning's work.